welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make my aunt's most simple and delicious Kattchi Kadi. So let's start. Preheat a pot on low medium flame. Add in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil heats up, add in 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When they begin to crackle, add in 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When cumin seeds start to crackle, add in 1/4 teaspoon of hing. When the hing starts giving out aroma, add in 1 slit green chili or dried red chili. Add a tablespoonful of chopped garlic. Saute this for a minute. When the garlic starts changing color, add in 2 tablespoons of chopped onions. When the onions start to turn light brown, add few curry leaves. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a mix. Switch off the flame. Move the pot away from heat. Add 1/4 cup of water. When this cools down a little bit, add in 2 cups of beaten yogurt. Give it a mix. Now add half cup of water. Stir. Add roughly chopped cilantro leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste. Mix this all up. Give it a taste. This is the consistency I prefer. But friends, you can add more or less water. Okay friends, Kattchi Kadi is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's quick video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.